Imagine walking into your dentist's office for something as simple as a cleaning. Before anyone even looks at your teeth, you're handed a form. Do you have diabetes? Do you take blood thinners? Any heart problems? Any allergies? You might think, why do they need all this? They're treating my teeth, not my whole body. But here's something that surprises most people. That form might be the most important part of your appointment. Because what your dentist doesn't know could seriously affect your treatment, or, in rare cases, even put your life at risk. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why dentists always ask about your medical history, and why you should never skip those questions. One of the biggest myths in dentistry is that your mouth is somehow separate from the rest of your body. It's not. Your mouth is connected to every major body system. The medications you take, the diseases you have, even your recent surgeries. All of them can completely change how your dentist treats you. That's why medical history isn't just paperwork. It's part of your diagnosis. Let's start with medications. Imagine two patients need the exact same tooth extraction. The first patient takes no medications. The second takes blood thinners. The procedure may look identical, but the risk isn't. Blood-thinning medications can increase bleeding during or after certain dental procedures. That doesn't automatically mean treatment can't be done. It simply means your dentist needs to plan carefully. Maybe they'll use extra local measures to control bleeding. Maybe they'll coordinate with your physician if necessary. The point is, they need to know. Now think about another example. Some medications reduce saliva production. A dry mouth isn't just uncomfortable. Saliva protects your teeth. Less saliva means a higher risk of cavities, gum disease, and oral infections. Without your medical history, your dentist may miss the real cause. Healing isn't the same for everyone. Take diabetes, for example. If blood sugar isn't well controlled, wounds may heal more slowly. The risk of infection may also increase. That doesn't mean people with diabetes can't receive dental treatment. Millions do every year. It simply means your dentist may need to adjust the treatment plan, timing, or follow-up care. The same applies to many other medical conditions. Your overall health influences how your body responds after dental procedures. Here's one people often underestimate: allergies. Many patients remember food allergies, but forget medication allergies. Imagine receiving an antibiotic you've reacted to before, or a local anesthetic ingredient that caused a previous problem. Your dentist asks these questions for one simple reason: to avoid preventable complications. Even allergies to latex can affect what materials are used during your appointment. A few seconds of honest answers can prevent a very serious reaction. Many heart conditions influence dental treatment. Some people have artificial heart valves. Some have certain congenital heart conditions. Others have recently had cardiac procedures. In specific situations, your dentist may need to follow special recommendations before certain treatments. Blood pressure is another example. If it's extremely high on the day of treatment, some elective procedures may need to be postponed until it's safer. Again, the goal isn't to scare you, it's to keep you safe. Many people are surprised by this one. Pregnancy affects more than hormones. It also affects dental treatment decisions. Certain medications may be avoided. Some elective procedures may be postponed. Positioning in the dental chair can even matter later in pregnancy. That's why your dentist asks. Not because pregnancy prevents dental care, but because it helps provide the safest care possible. Here's something fascinating. Sometimes, the dentist discovers signs of a medical problem before the patient even knows it exists. Persistent dry mouth, unusual ulcers, frequent infections, slow healing, excessive gum bleeding. These can sometimes be clues that something beyond the mouth deserves further medical evaluation. Dentists don't diagnose every medical disease, but they are trained to recognize when something doesn't look normal. That's another reason your medical history matters. It helps connect the dots. Some patients avoid mentioning medical conditions because they worry treatment will be canceled. Others think it's under control, so it doesn't matter. Or, "It's personal." But here's the truth. Your dentist isn't asking to judge you. They're asking to protect you. The more accurate your medical history, the safer your care becomes. Even something that seems unrelated, like a new medication you started last week, could change the treatment plan. Honesty isn't about making your appointment longer. It's about making it safer. Here's a question many people never ask. If I filled out the form last year, do I need to do it again? Absolutely. Medical histories aren't permanent. Health changes. Medications change. New allergies develop. People become pregnant. Surgeries happen. Conditions improve or worsen. That's why many dental offices ask you to review or update your information at every visit. It may feel repetitive, but it's one of the simplest ways to reduce risk. Before every appointment, make sure your dentist knows if you've had any major changes, including new medications, medication allergies, recent surgeries or hospital stays, heart conditions, diabetes, pregnancy, blood thinning medications, significant changes in your health. Even if you're unsure whether something is important, mention it. Your dentist will decide whether it affects your treatment. So the next time your dentist hands you that medical history form, don't think of it as paperwork. Kind of it as part of your treatment. Because dentistry isn't just about fixing teeth. It's about treating a person. And every safe treatment starts with understanding the whole patient, not just the smile. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe to Dr. Dentic, and share this video with someone who always wonders why dentists ask so many questions before they even look inside your mouth. Until next time, keep smiling, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.